Hi, what we are going to talk about today is a monsoon skincare regime and how to apply your makeup. So what happens in monsoon is that our skin gets oily. So before you apply your makeup, make sure that you wash your face. You cleanse it with a mild cleanser. Now also what is important is take an ice cube and rub it all over your face for about 5 to 10 minutes and then let it be. This will delay the sweating on the skin. So as a result, the makeup will stay on your skin for longer. Now the second thing is you need to tone your skin. So if you have oily skin, use an astringent. If you have a regular normal skin, then use a toner. Now wait for a while and after that start doing your makeup. What I recommend for the monsoons is avoid creamy products, because what can happen is that there can be a sudden spell of rain and anything on your face, any water, and then makeup is going to look patchy. So try and go for loose powder or mineralized powder. That also use just sparingly, just to take away the grease, the shine from the face. And then the most important thing, your mascara, your liner, your kajal, these have to be waterproof. In monsoon, make sure you invest in waterproof makeup. It is very important, because if it rains and your mascara gets wet, you don't want it flowing all over your face. So important thing, invest in waterproof makeup. Another thing is that a lot of people tend to shape up their brows in the monsoon season. So you use a pencil. If it rains or your hair is too limp, it tends to fall down. So don't do that, because then the shape of the pencil will show separately. What you can do in monsoon is a tip is use a gel that holds your brows. You get one at MAC and all these places. That is just a brow fix or something that will hold your brows. Use that so that your brows remain in shape. And it is always better to go for regular threading and cleaning of the face. So you don't need too many things to put on the face. One important tip is that when you're applying powder on your face, don't forget, don't use small brushes. Use bigger brushes, because what happens is that we're using powder directly on the face. And if you have a smaller brush and you go up on applying in closer places, it will look very chalky. So we just want a very well spread powder. So use a big brush, use all powdered things, base, eyeshadow, all of that. So that is what you need to do. Again, now what is very important in monsoon is that you need to clean your makeup before you sleep. Whether monsoon, any season, but it's very important for monsoon also, because what happens is that if the makeup stays on at night, your pores will get clogged, and because of that, you'll get acne and pimples. And because you've used a mascara on your eyelashes, they'll be stiff and they tend to break, and we don't want that. So make sure you remove your makeup and moisturize your skin before you sleep. And other than that, again, lots of water, eat healthy, exercise, and that's what you need to do.